Hello everyone, welcome back to MindFuel TV. In this exciting 8th episode of our series on AI in education, we tackle one of the biggest debates in the education world today. Will AI replace teachers, or will it work alongside them to enhance learning? With AI-powered tools becoming more advanced, many educators wonder whether AI is a collaborator or a competitor. Can AI truly replace human teachers, or does it have a different, complementary role in education? In this video, we will explore the tasks AI can take over in education, the unique role of teachers that AI cannot replace, the potential of AI-human collaboration in creating a better learning experience, the future of teaching in an AI-driven world. Let's dive deep into this crucial discussion. Can AI replace teachers? The short answer is no, AI cannot fully replace teachers, but it can assist them in significant ways. AI lacks emotional intelligence, creativity, and personal connection, all essential elements of effective teaching. Education is not just about delivering information, it's about mentorship, guidance, and emotional support, which only humans can provide. However, AI can automate repetitive tasks, provide real-time feedback, and analyze student data faster than a human can. This means teachers can focus more on student interaction, problem-solving, and individualized attention, rather than administrative tasks. What can AI do in education? While AI can't replace teachers, it can take over specific tasks to make their work easier and more efficient. 1. Automating administrative work. Grading assignments, tracking attendance, and generating reports take up a huge portion of a teacher's time. AI-powered systems like Turnitin, Gradescope, and Google Classroom can automate grading and provide instant feedback. This allows teachers to spend more time engaging with students rather than dealing with paperwork. 2. Personalized learning and AI tutors. AI-powered tutoring platforms, such as Khan Academy, Squirrel AI, and ChatGPT, help students by providing personalized guidance. These tools analyze student performance and create adaptive learning paths, ensuring that each student progresses at their own pace. This doesn't replace teachers, but rather enhances their ability to address individual student needs more effectively. 3. Enhancing student engagement through AI can make lessons more interactive with gamification, simulations, and virtual reality experiences. Platforms like Google Expeditions and AI-powered language learning apps create immersive experiences that boost engagement. AI helps teachers bring subjects to life, making learning more dynamic and enjoyable. 4. Supporting special education needs. AI-driven tools assist students with learning disabilities, speech impairments, and other special needs. Voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant can help students with reading difficulties. Speech-to-text software and AI-powered real-time captioning make learning accessible for hearing-impaired students. By offering personalized assistance, AI ensures that every student, regardless of ability, has access to quality education. What AI can't do, why teachers will always be essential. While AI can handle many tasks, it lacks the human touch that teachers bring to the classroom. 1. Emotional support and mentorship. Teachers provide guidance, motivation, and inspiration, things that AI cannot replicate. A struggling student needs encouragement, reassurance, and personal connection, which only a human teacher can give. 2. Instilling critical thinking and creativity. Education is not just about memorization, it's about problem-solving, creativity, and analytical thinking. Teachers encourage debates, discussions, and project-based learning, fostering skills that AI cannot teach. 3. Building social and moral values. Schools are not just for academics. They are places where students learn about teamwork, ethics, and empathy. I can't teach empathy, respect, or moral reasoning. Only teachers can help shape students into responsible citizens. 4. Adapting to human nuances. Every student is different, and sometimes, body language, tone of voice, or personal struggles affect learning. I cannot fully understand human emotions and social cues, whereas teachers can adjust their approach based on student behavior. The future, AI and teachers working together. The best way forward is AI-human collaboration rather than replacement. Teachers plus AI equals a more efficient education system. By integrating AI tools in classrooms, teachers can focus more on human interaction, mentorship, and creativity. AI will handle data-driven tasks, while teachers will nurture critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and real-world problem-solving. In the future, we can expect checkmark AI-powered assistants helping teachers manage administrative work. Checkmark AI-driven insights guiding educators on how to support students better. Checkmark hybrid learning environments, combining AI with traditional teaching methods. Checkmark more engaging and interactive classrooms, thanks to AI-powered tools. Final thoughts. Embracing AI as a teaching partner. AI is not here to take away teaching jobs. It is here to enhance the learning experience. By embracing AI as an educational tool, teachers can work smarter, not harder. Technology should empower teachers, not replace them. When used effectively, AI and teachers together can create an education system that is more inclusive, engaging, and effective for students. What do you think? Now, we'd love to hear from you. Do you think AI can replace teachers, or do you see it as a valuable assistant in education? How do you feel about AI being used in classrooms? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to thumbs up, like this video, loudspeaker, share it with friends and educators, bell, subscribe to MindFuel TV for more thought-provoking discussions on AI and education. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode as we explore the future of AI in education.